Hello viewers and subscribers. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some seed starting. And in my Rubbermaid container, I have some seed starting mix that I created. And it has vermiculite in it. It has some potting soil and also some coco coir. So I have pre-wet the soil, and I'm going to be filling up these pots. And so I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be planting some sugar baby watermelon, some crookneck squash, some Charente melon, a golden beauty cassava melon, green flesh honeydew, rich sweetness melon, honey rock melon, snowball cauliflower, chamomile German, and peaches and cream corn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about 3 seeds in each container or pot. Because what I plan on doing is sometimes seeds don't germinate or is good, so that's why I'm putting 3 seeds. And I'm putting the little tags in so I know what's in each one. All 3 seeds look real good. I'll probably end up giving them away to some friends. Seeds in, what I'll do is I'll put some soil in. Seeds that I'm planting are from the seed bank box. It used to be a company that Jake Mace created, and now his wife, that's her company. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish planting these seeds, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up the seeds. So I have sugar baby watermelon, green flesh honeydew melon, a golden beauty cassava melon, a Charentais melon, a crookneck squash, honey rock melon, straight A cucumber, a dark green zucchini, lemon cucumber, rich sweetness melon, a golden zucchini, with zucchini, Bait Alpha cucumbers, and White Wonder cucumber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up the seeds. Basically, you're only supposed to cover or plant the seeds about the length of the seed. So, and I'm gonna press down so it can have contact. To do is I'm going to be putting these seeds under the Hidden Harvest grow lights. And I'm going to put a heat mat underneath to give it additional heat. To help with the germination of the seeds. And then I have a dome that I'm gonna put over the seeds. And one more. Let me get that done. There you go. And what I'll do is I'll come back and show you when the germination starts. I'll come back and show you. All right. Hello viewers and subscribers. And I started the seeds on March the 9th, and today is March the 13th. And some of the seeds have germinated. Some, like the rich sweetness melon back here, the lemon cucumber, the beta alpha cucumber over here, and over here, the golden beauty cassava melon is starting to break through. So it's loving the Hidden Harvest grow lights. And I noticed that some of the other seeds are starting to pop through. They just haven't shown yet. But I noticed the crookneck squash is starting to come through the soil. What I'm going to do, in another 7 days, I'll do an update video. So until the next video, blessings, y'all.